Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your WordPress website has started to feel a little slow or clunky, don't worry. Today I'll show you how to clean up your WordPress database from all the rubbish that piles up over time. This full guide will help you make your site faster, more efficient, and smoother, all in under 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your WordPress account. Open your browser and head over to wordpress.com. In the top right corner, click Login. Now, if you want to save time, just hit Continue with Google. It's the quickest way to sign in, especially if your Google account is already linked to your WordPress site. Once you're in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand sidebar, scroll down and click on Feedback. That's where all your contact form data and responses are stored. Next, select Form Responses. Now, here's the thing. These form responses can quietly bloat your database over time. Every message, test submission, or spam entry sits there, adding unnecessary weight to your site and slowing things down. Take a moment to review your list. If you spot old, duplicate, or irrelevant entries, it's time to clear them out. Simply select the ones you don't need, then click Trash. That's it. You've just removed unnecessary data from your WordPress database. This tiny step makes a huge difference. It frees up storage, reduces load on your database, and helps your site load faster for your visitors. Now, let's quickly recap what we've done today. We logged into WordPress using Google for faster access. We navigated to the feedback section and opened form responses. We identified and deleted outdated or useless entries, and we did it all in just under 5 minutes. All right, that wraps up today's tutorial. If this guide helps speed up your site, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you never miss more WordPress optimization tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll make your WordPress site even better.